guys headed home from work. Look at this. How can you just, I don't know. It just, like, I cannot just drive around like that. 392 Scat Pack right here. Clean car. Look at that. Sharp. Flip this thing around on me real quick. I know how to do it. Well, I don't think I know how to do it. So I'll just do this. So this is recorded on my iPhone 10. I'll tell you what, I do like the quality on this phone. This phone has some very good video and picture quality. So I may do a couple videos on this thing and see how you guys like it. But yeah, I was just coming home from work and I seen that. I'm like, you know, how do people wreck a car and just keep driving it like that and it just not bother them? I mean, look at this light. That's something else. I don't know if the camera's focused on me or not, but I always feel like I gotta put some gas on this thing. But yeah, guys, about to be home. Gonna do some videos of the car today or the truck. I haven't made my mind up, so I'll get back with you in just a minute. What's going on, guys, and welcome back. Filming on my iPhone 10, as I said earlier. I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. On the phone, it looks pretty good. We'll see how it looks on the computer. So, I'm gonna go over a couple myths. Sorry, the truck is nasty right now, but gonna go over a couple myths about lowered trucks. I was told by a couple people, oh, you ruined your truck. You'll never be able to tow again. You'll never be able to put stuff in the bed. Sorry about the wind noise, if there is any, but we'll go over and say something. This is a Rough Country 2.4, I believe. 2.4 drop. It's a 6-inch flip kit in the rear with a 2-inch lift shackle and 2-inch spindles in the front. Now, it sits fairly low. This is a pretty straight truck, so I mean, it sits fairly low. Other than that, I see the little dinghy right there. But it sits fairly low. But you know, it sits low enough for me. It's on 22s. These are GMC Snowflake replicas, all chrome. Do need to get some different lug nuts and need to change out the front brake pads, because dude, these brake pads, I mean, brake dust like nobody's business. I don't know if you guys watched my other video, but I got these lug nuts right here. Sorry, it's nasty in here. I got these lug nuts right here. If anybody wants them, I'll put a good price on them. Thought they would look cool. Well, they would look cool if they didn't stick out so dang far. But those things, you saw the lug nuts from the side before you saw the wheels, so didn't like that. But heck, I may even give these away to somebody. I'm not gonna use them. There's, for 6 lug, it's got this one extra, but they're all there. But yeah, guys, so on the side, I like buy and sell trailers. So I've hauled 2 20-foot steel trailers stacked up, weighing roughly 1,500 pounds a piece. No problems at all. You know, you can haul. It's nothing. It's not gonna kill your truck. I mean, maybe if you do like a straight 6-inch drop with, you know, non-C notch, but I still got a good bit of room before I have to C notch. I got a good ways to go. So, not planning on doing that. I like it how it is. But yeah, guys, if anybody tries to tell you otherwise, don't listen. Especially if you're just going to do a 2.4, it's not going to hurt. This truck's 2.4 rides excellent. and I don't have any complaints. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Another thing real quick, added a Bully Dog programmer. Helped out a pretty good bit. I saw a little bit of a difference in fuel economy, saw a major difference in like shift points, a little bit of power, so it definitely helped out. I got a good deal on it, and can't beat it. If anything, it looks cool because it's got a bunch of features and stuff like that you can go through, and it's got gauges like I got it set on like my primary gauge. It's my intake temperature, and it tells you the degrees of your intake, transmission, you know, all that. So it's pretty cool. But that's pretty much it, guys. Guess I'll leave it there. We're gonna do some more cool videos, especially this weekend. If it doesn't rain, I may go try to do like some cars and coffee stuff, and try to do something cool. I know I'll do something Friday, but let's try to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. We're that close. Anyways, guys, peace.